Digital age communication and collaboration tools make it easy to connect students, teachers, and experts in your own building or across the globe. But there's more to being culturally responsive pedagogically than connecting. Culturally responsive teachers make an effort to understand their own cultures, such as cultures shaped by racial, social, language, communication, gender, or other characteristics, and those of others. Understanding how different cultures perceive the role of school and the obligations families see for students, school staff, and themselves is also vitally important. And of course, not all cultures perceive value technology use in the same ways. Culturally responsive pedagogy values students' prior knowledge and experiences and stretches them. It goes beyond celebrations of food, or tying lessons to Africa and Mexico, or by using hip-hop music, as Zaretta Hammond writes. You may want to consider starting with a self-assessment of your cultural background, or reflect individually or with a few close colleagues, or review the perspectives presented in the resources, such as the description of collectivist versus individualist cultural perspectives from the Diversity Kit from the Lab of Brown. Consider how adults and students from one perspective might react to activities presented from the other, or consider the helpful strategies in a practice brief from the National Center for Culturally Responsive Educational Systems. Which of these do you and your colleagues engage in now, and which might you explore further? How do powerful communication and collaboration tools support these research-based practices? Review these and the other resources in the companion document to determine what you can do to meet your goals to model and promote diversity, cultural understanding, and global awareness with those with whom you collaborate.